lemon cake. Oh, this one is so good. It's good for snacks, even for late evening, even midnight snack. This is quite good. It's quite healthy. So yep, let's start. Here we have 3 eggs, 3 whole eggs here. Yep. Now we start with about 3/4 a cup of sugar. So this is a 1/4 scoop. So we need three of this first to be 3/4 cup of a sugar. All right, there you go. Now we're gonna try to mix it good. Yes. Once it's all incorporated together, then we're gonna go for the next step. But Ate Vicky, our maid, suggested we use the blender, so now it's all good. We use a blender for like a few minutes. There's the lemon zest there. All right, so that's next. Okay, this is about a spoon of lemon zest because we use 1 lemon. So this spoon of lemon zest. All right, now we continue. It's about half a cup of oil. So the scoop here is 1/4, so we need two of those. So that's half a cup now. All right. Now we go with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So this 1 cup. Oh, it's a little overflowing. So I think we will put a bit less than the second one. Yes, agree. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Sorry about the dogs of the neighbor. I don't know why they cage them and just make noise like that. I feel bad for the dogs. And 2 teaspoons of baking powder. All right, or baking flour. Sorry. Yep, now we sift it through. I asked Ate Vicky why we use a sift, and she says you need that because sometimes the flour has a bit of chunks, and you don't want to use that because it makes it more tough or hard. And I was like, oh, okay, that's why. So that's why we always use a sift to put the flour incorporated together. And yeah, we use the blender, so it's gonna be good. And oh, there, Ate Vicky forgot to use a strainer for the lemon juice. We used a spoon of powdered lemon. That's why the color turned orange like that. But it's a half a cup of lemon juice with addition of a spoon of lemon powder juice. So it's gonna be stronger lemony taste. All right, now we're gonna mix it good with the blender, incorporate it good. And later you will see the texture that we're shooting for. I know what you shoot for to make sure the lemon cake is good. And yes, and here it is. This is the texture you want. Oh yeah, look at that. It looks so good. Yep, this is about ready to put it on the tray. All right. Oh, and actually, you can smell the lemon. It's so good. Yes, of course we use the regular. You can use regular oil, but we used a half a cup of pure avocado oil, so that's gonna be good. Of course, like a minola oil is gonna be okay. Now here's the tray. We butter it up so it doesn't stick. We're all buttered up, and now of course we put the wax paper at the bottom. Oh, sorry. This is just for purely aesthetics, Just put it at the bottom so that when you invert the lemon cake, you'll see 3 lemon slices on top. Is gonna look good. This is optional. You don't have to do this. I just felt like doing this so I can show you guys. There, three. Oh, there's a seed there. 3 thin slices. I remove the seed. Now we pour it in the mixture. Yes, you wanted that texture so it's fluffy yet soft but not dry. Here it is. You can actually flatten that out with a scraper if you want, but we just leave it like this because it's gonna be already good once it's cooked. You're gonna see it will look really awesome. Yes. Here we set the oven. We preheat it to 160 degrees Celsius. All right. So now it's preheated. Now we're gonna set this for 35 minutes. It's actually 35 to 40 minutes, but we realized when you go to 40 minutes, the crust on the cake, on the lemon cake, gets a little tougher. So we just do strictly 35 minutes. But depending on your oven, you gotta try 35 to 40. All right, here it is, all done. Would you look at that? This is 35 minutes, and you can see the edges are browning. So if you bake it for 40 minutes, it'll be a lot browner. All right, this looks really good. Now let me run the table knife on the side, just make sure it's not sticking. Oh yeah, it's not sticking. It's actually moving when you switch the knife there. All right. So I called up Ate Vicky. She's gonna help me invert the cake. I'm gonna put it there. All right. Oh, it's there. I heard it. popped out. Oh yeah. Here's the lemon slices that we put at the bottom. That's just strictly optional. I just like doing that because it looks really good. It becomes more enticing. Oh, look at this lemon cake. You guys, you should try this. It's so fun, very easy. It's guilt free. You can have this even late at night. It's still good, pretty healthy. Yep, you gotta enjoy this. Oh, look at that, fluffy and soft. I'm gonna grab this slice. Yeah, this is so good. Love that. Yes, we're actually working on a banana cake like this. And as soon as we're finished with that, as soon as I finish the video, of course, you can click it here. But for now, there's gonna be other pastries there. But the banana cake is gonna be done. You're gonna enjoy it. But this lemon cake here takes the edge. This is a good snack. Yep, we're gonna have it after lunch. Yes. And thanks for watching. Subscribe this way you can check out all the other good stuff here. Alright? Yeah.